Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of I Plays Games. Today we'll be looking at a game called The Crimping. I came across this game just recently on Twitter. There was a developer by the account named Mama Makes Games that was looking for beta testers, and I just happened to stumble across this post and I offered my help, and I was lucky enough to be selected into this beta testing, so here we are. The game was developed by Mama Makes Games herself, actually, in about a span of a month. And I've noticed this trend recently where there's these extremely talented solo developers that develop entire games single-handedly. And I'm not talking about, like, adventure games. I'm talking about full-fledged 3D, actual games. And so, I'm a sucker for horrors, and I had this opportunity to jump in, so let's go ahead and check out The Crimping. Oh, based on real events, always a good sign. Portland, Oregon, December 23rd, 1984. Knock on the hotel door. Okay, so I thought this was going to be a first-person game. It looks like it's a point-and-click, maybe? Got the wrong impression off of the Steam store. Let's see. Or, no, okay, no, it is a first-person. I'm sorry, I had a mouse hover and I thought this was, okay. Neat. What's that? Hold on. What does it say up there? Like it's a dog. Beagle? Maybe? No, the white beagle, maybe? Wiener dog? I don't know. Knock on door, let's see. Oh.
Hi. You made it. Come on in.
I didn't expect there to be other people in this game. Cool.
Thanks for coming over. Things have been totally screwy since Grandma fell on the stair. My mom is at the hospital.
Oh, this is AI.
But Grandma is freaking out because she doesn't have her pet rabbit. Would you mind helping me find him?
Okay, let's find this pet rabbit. Did you try looking down the hallway? Well, don't mind if I do. Did the rabbit just laugh at me?
Hello. Is everything okay?
Sorry, miss. I'm here from the city, too.
Where is that old crazy lady who used to live
You're
here?
the crazy one here. You
My
sound so
grandma,
angry.
Dorothy? She's at the hospital
You sound
right
like
now,
Bill Burr.
but she still lives here.
I'm sorry, miss, but your grandma's property has been condemned
Uh-oh.
to the city.
Condemned?
Condemned.
It's a done deal. My demolition crew will be here in the morning, so
Bill
we can
Burr
all
would have a
forget this
demolition
eyesore.
crew.
Is he serious?
Yes, miss. Dorothy was notified several months ago that she needed to make an estimated $100,000
Oh.
of improvements in order to prevent the condemnation order.
But my grandma doesn't have that kind of money.
I'm sorry, miss, but unless she can come up with it by tomorrow morning, there's nothing I can do.
Ouch.
Wow. Okay. I'll let her know. I'm sorry, but I think I should catch Triumph to the hospital. Would you mind catching the rabbit and making sure it's safe before you leave?
I'll try.
I'll be back first thing in the morning to get Grandma's stuff. Oh man, what a hot mess. Thanks, cousin. See you later.
That's actually pretty insane. I think that whole bit was done by AI. And they, like, nailed the accents, too. I mean, one of the guys sound exactly like Bill Burr. I can't get over that. Oh, I love the guy. Love the guy. He's hilarious. Okay. All right. Let's go get this rabbit upstairs. The rabbit went here, right? No stairs here. Looks like a kitchen. No. Okay, where's the stairs? There's a piano. It's really dark. Okay. Of course. Do. Every horror game main character knows how to play the piano. It's a horror game skill. I'm so good I could play behind my back. Okay, here we go. Shoot, where's the stair? Oh, wait, whoa. I can't, it's so dark in here. Even with HDR on, I can't see anything. No darks, okay. No, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Lights on. Did I turn the lights off? Oh, okay, here we go. Okay. What was that? I need to find a way to get upstairs. Sounded like some glass shattering. Okay, maybe here? Wow, it's pitch black. Wow, cool. Oh, here we go. Explore Dorothy's room. Ah, here we go. I swear that rabbit's laughing at me. Okay, let's start with the obvious clue on the bed.
Dear Shirley, you wouldn't believe what I caught on the camcorder last night. You know about my secret place in my bedroom. If I'm not home, check it out. You won't believe your eyes. Hugs and kisses. Dorothy.
Huh. There's a secret room here. Interesting. Old hotels and secret rooms. My kind of game so far. Alright, let's see. Refguson? Refguson? Record player, a stove. Oh, hey, that's, oh, shoot, I already lost the name. She was downstairs. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh, ooh, wow, okay. Move plant. Aha. This must be the secret room here. Ah, ow. Okay. Nice. I can't quite grasp it. It seems like there's this, like a, not exactly like a toon shader, but kind of like a semi-toon shader. Like somewhere in between like Borderlands and actual 3D. Kind of like Spider-Verse vibes here. Oh, there's more here. I can't make out the audio, but the music sounds like Metallica or Rhapsody of Fire. I'm not well educated in heavy metal, so I'm sorry if I get this wrong, but I dig it. I dig it. I don't know what it's saying though. Okay, let's see here. Use computer. Okay, let's use computer. Whoa. Interesting. Oh, that's right. I read about this. So on Mama Makes Games Twitter account, I was looking back at her previous posts, and I think I read somewhere in there that she actually included a full-fledged functioning computer in the game. I think this must be it. Type rose.txt. They've been very angry, but I think I figured out how to contact Rose. At night when the lights are off, I go into the bathroom where she drowned. In that bathroom, I look in the mirror, then say, Rosalia, and spin around. If I repeat this 3 times, she makes her presence known. I think I can finally solve this with her help. Dorothy, December 22nd, 1984. That's yesterday, right? That is December 23rd. Interesting. Now, I'm not educated enough in MS-DOS to know what kind of codes or shortcuts I could... let's try type. What's in the directory? Games. Okay. File not found. Directory. Oops. Games. Oh, what's this? Demon 16 files. Okay. Let's try run daemon.exec. Bad command. Okay. Type daemon.exec. File not found, but it says demon. I must be reading this wrong. You know what? I'm gonna leave this alone. I'm not I'm not gonna expose my ignorance here. I'm sorry. I tried. That's neat though. That's neat that that's there. Okay, open drawer. Cool. Okay. Pick up VHS tape.
Is there a fruit cellar here?
Yes.
We need some bottles or jars. Make bottles.
That's from the Night of the Living Dead,
Hey,
isn't
there's
it?
a can of kerosene down there.
Nice.
Do you hear that? Someone playing the piano, right?
Uh-oh. I better go check out the piano, I guess.
Look, there's no one there.
Hmm.
And wait for it. See,
No.
I'm telling you, Shirley, her spirit is getting more and more angry. Something's wrong.
Nope. That's where the video ends. I can't believe Dorothy was recording over the Night of the Living Dead in high def, too. You can't just overwrite a classic like that. Okay. Oh, wait. Was this passage here? Well, I'll go check the piano in a second. Oh, chugging. Oh, it's pitch black in here. Ah, okay, here we go. The bathtub. So this must be a bathroom. Very laggy here. Oh, that's myself. Okay. Oh, this is the mirror. Oh, this is the bathroom. Hold on. Oh. That's freaky. Okay, let's try this. Rosalia? Rosalia? Rosalia. Maybe counterclockwise? Rosalia? Rosalia? Rosalia. Or am I doing this wrong? Spin around 3 times. Uh-oh. That sounded like somebody sharpening a knife. Rosalia, Rosalia, Rosalia. No? Okay. This mirror is causing major lag. Let me step away from it. Uh-oh. Wow, that sounded like somebody blowing in my ear. That's scary. Oh, God. Okay. There's a lamp here. Can I take it? No? Okay. This game's nailing the atmosphere. The chugging's kind of a... Oh, man, I wish it didn't. I mean, my computer's not top of the line, but it's not half bad either. Oh. So we do have to investigate the piano. Something's going on. The cousin's gone too. There's something on the piano. Oh, that's the rabbit. I found the rabbit. You're on the piano. Don't you laugh at me. Get back here. Damn it. Okay, let's play the piano here. Whoa. Okay, read the note on the piano. No, no. No. I might have glitched the game out. Was I too close? How do I... There we go.
My beloved Samuel, why have you abandoned me? I trusted you with my heart and every secret of my soul. And what did you do? You threw me away like I was rubbish. Clyde said you were laughing about me when you snuck away in the morning. You told him that fool girl would have believed anything. Was it your wish to utterly destroy me, Samuel? If so, you have succeeded, for I cannot be free of my longing for you. Tormented
Ouch.
forever, Rose.
Oh! Nice timing. More glass was shattering behind me, too. Something's going on. So Samuel seems like an a-hole. Coming. Oh, man. Should I? Yeah. Good evening, miss.
Must be Dorothy's great nephew.
Maybe.
She didn't say you were so cute.
Ooh.
My, Don't look scared. I'm Shirley, a good friend of Dorothy.
I see.
Where's Cindy? I'll order a pizza for you guys. What's this?
Whoa, whoa. Hey now, easy there.
Another note from Rose. Wow, that poor girl.
Oh, that's right. The note was
Has
addressed to
Dorothy
Shirley.
seen this? Do you know the story of Rose? You know, she drowned in the bathroom upstairs. And all because of that damn Samuel leaving her for God knows what reason. Man. Oh, present company excluded. Of course.
Ooh, lots of company here today.
Pizza. Got a 12-inch sausage and tomato combo for Shirley.
That's me. 12 inches? You'll have to prove that.
Oh,
It's $8, please.
8 sounds more realistic. Here's $10.
dialogue's
Keep the
awesome.
change.
Thanks, man.
Call me Shirley.
Okay, Shirley. Bye.
Smells delicious. Hungry?
As a matter of fact, I am.
I knew just the tit wouldn't be enough.
I'm sorry, man.
Shirley.
I mean, Shirley. Man, car won't start. Could I please call my friend to give me a lift back?
Yes. Come in and make yourself comfortable.
Who are you to decide who could stay in this hotel and who
Sorry,
can't?
I'm just...
Don't be shy. Go ahead. Fun's right there. Whoa. I'm having like deja vu. Here with the cute guys. I swear, I saw this.
I didn't think
all
we'd have this many
through.
players in the game. This
Okay,
is interesting.
he's on
All
his way.
right.
I guess I'll wait outside.
Don't be ridiculous. Stay a while. We were just talking about ghosts. Did you know this hotel is haunted?
Haunted?
Uh-huh. By a ghost who lived here decades ago. She was a lady of a certain reputation. But she fell in love with an English World War I veteran.
Must
He
be Samuel.
returned night after night for months. No wonder he couldn't pay his debt.
Oh,
And then one day, out of the blue, he vanished. Told the local cop that he tricked Rose just to get a discount. It broke her heart.
ouch.
She died of a broken heart.
Sort of. She never touched a drop of alcohol until he left her. And then she drank herself to oblivion each night for a week. And then, on this very night, 55 years, no, 58. 58
This is kind of
years
oddly
ago,
specific.
She drowned, drunk as a skunk, in the bath upstairs. And ever since, this place has been so haunted, they had to close it down.
You don't really believe that, do you?
Tell you what, how about the three of us?
Hey, why are
head
you
to
getting
the
me in
sun
this into
and
this?
Ask Rose herself.
A seance? You mean like talking to the dead?
Oh no. Oh.
What the heck?
Uh-oh. I can't see.
Tell you what,
Here we go.
if I'm right, and we make contact with the ghost, then you have to do anything I dare you to.
Okay, fine. What do I get if the ghost is a no-show?
I'll do anything you want. Anything.
Screw it. All right. Let's see
Sounds
this.
like Shirley wins either way.
Yes. Come on. Here, let me get a candle and... Here,
Oh, there you go. I
you
can
take
finally
this
see.
headlamp. Let's get her
Yes!
down this Nut Rose Road.
There we go.
Has her energy.
How will we know if she is here?
She'll make herself known. Okay.
Oh, that's some good looking
here we
pizza.
go.
Looks like she's not.
Oh, ooh, interesting.
Rose, if that's you, Rose, tell us what you want. What do you...
Whoa, what was that?
It's an ad for Tom Peterson's.
Tom Peterson. Isn't that like a Oregon reference?
My ride is here.
Oh,
Well, thanks for letting me wait here instead of in that room. Well, who was right about the seance? Do I have to do whatever you dare me to?
why don't we figure it out in the car? If you know what I mean.
Ooh.
Okay, you win.
Oh.
After you.
Ah.
Tell Dorothy I came by.
Okay, never mind. The
Okay?
game does lie on my shoulders now.
I think
Alright.
Shirley might be right. Something's off about this place. See you.
Have fun, I guess? Oh, that's right. I still have the rabbit. Oh. Wow, this place is a hell of a lot more spooky all of a sudden. What am I trying to investigate? Oh, the rabbit. I got you. How do I? Damn it. The rabbit went to the upstairs bathroom. Hold on. Light still works? Nope. Oh, wow. Okay. Game's still kind of chugging. Okay, the spooky factor just went up tenfold. Alright, let's keep searching for the rabbit. Oh man, did it go to the bathroom? Okay. Whoa. There was no water in that tub. Oh. I swear somebody's having like a temper tantrum downstairs. Oh, wait, there's something in the mirror. What is it? Uh-oh. I do not like that sound. Is it like SS, maybe? What did it say? SS, examine the mirror. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Put out the fire. Put out the fire. What the crap? Ah. Oh my god. The place is on fire. There's water in the tub, thankfully. Now, what do I... Here we go. Basin. Okay. Oh, the lamp fell over. Oh, shoot. I like how things are ramping up. Hey, the rabbit! Where? Oh, hey, you! Just want to hold on to I'll just grab the rabbit and I'll, like, book another hotel. Damn it, where did it go? Okay. Singing? That's not from the piano. Is there a door here? I don't remember there being a door here. Oh, I hear crying. Interesting. What is this room? Oh. Oh. Hold on. I can't. I locked myself out. No! No! Okay, here we go. This time, don't open the door until I'm on the other side. Okay. Here we go. Ah, so chuggy. Okay, here we go. Alright, alright. Interesting. Another note.
My beloved Samuel, coming to America, I brought only two things with me. My grandfather's gold pocket watch and my heart. When you told me you loved me, I pledged my heart to you forever, reflecting on your love. Now I want to give you my grandfather's watch, for I want to always be so close as to appear if you call my name 3 times. especially
Oh,
yours,
interesting. Not so much the slithering. See, there's always these, myths about, 3 a.m. challenges about, calling names like Bloody Mary in front of the mirror 3 times and whatnot. And it usually doesn't make that much sense because it's like, how would you come up with that? Why would you come up with that? But then when you leave notes like these behind, all of a sudden it makes sense. I like that a lot, actually. All right. Chugging. Here we go. Okay. I don't know, I kind of like the sound. I like the music. Okay, fine. What the? Ow. I didn't expect the Wilhelm scream. That was nice. Okay. Escape the tunnels. Okay, the game is a lot more ambitious. I thought it was going to be confined in a hotel. Looks like we got some underground caves to explore now. Damn, okay. Oh man, okay. Another note.
To my Rose, terrible news. I write to you from the dock of a cell under the White Beagle.
It is the White Beagle, cool.
I was cast down a trapdoor and grabbed by some thugs, who must have thought they knocked me senseless. But I heard them speak, and it seems I have been crimped and sold to a sailing captain.
Oh no.
I am sure one of the voices was Clyde. That cop who always is pestering you for favors. I think he set me up to get rid of me. For my love of you,
Oh no.
I have left your watch here, hidden, with the meager hope that you will one day find it and know that, wherever my body lies, my soul will always return to you, yours in this life and beyond.
Oh no.
Samuel.
Now I feel like an a-hole for calling Samuel an a-hole. Samuel never left Rose. Ooh, not intentionally at least. Well, if he met thugs underground, that means there are other passageways to get into the underground tunnels. So, oh, danger, do not enter. Okay. Chugging. A gun. Here we go. That's weird. I didn't think this would be this type of game. It feels like I'm playing. Oh, what the crap? Ow. Ow. I was just saying, I didn't think it was this kind of game. I lost my gun. Oh. Now I feel less secure. More so than before I even found the gun. Oh, what's that? Sounds like a rocking chair. What the hell? Kinda chuggy. Massive frame rate drop here. Okay, here we go. Huh. Ha! What the? What is that? What is that? It's like a little dancing man. Interesting. I got you now. What? I don't get it. What am I supposed to do about it? Maybe it just wants me to investigate this area. This is like a giant central heating system, like a boiler or something. A distillery, maybe. Oh, wait, what is it? Open, what does it say? Open boiler door. Okay, here we go. What is that like gold? Oh, that's the golden watch. Here we go. Nice. I found your watch, Samuel. Somebody was trying to get rid of it. What the heck? That was cool, but why did it happen? The effects are really cool, like how the whole house lit up and the mirror jumps. Oh, I'll get to it later, but love the attention to detail. Here we go. place blocked off. Oh. Oh. All of a sudden I'm hearing this ambiance. Sounds like I'm in a cafeteria or something, like a eating hall, like a mess hall or something. Sounds like it's coming from the other side, actually. There we go. Oh, this is like a Prohibition underground gambling section here. Oh, this is neat. No? Nope, okay. Deck of cards? Nope, okay. That's okay. Another... Somebody's like sharpening their knife. Dead end, it looks like. I mean, there is an oddly placed coffee mill here. Oh, here we go. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go deep. Whoa. Oh, spider. I don't know if I want to go in deeper. Trapdoor. Oh boy. I mean, it's pitch black without my lamp. Like, I guess if this is the only way, I would rather try that other door, but okay. Oh! Damn it. The stair was rotten. Uh-oh, cobweb. Whoa! Okay. You got dead bodies lying in here. Okay, okay. So I hadn't seen actual physical bodies up to this point. Now's about time I call the authorities, but I bet I don't have a cell phone in 1984. Okay, read journal.
Since that damn ship was lost at sea, we've had nothing but one disaster after another. The men have all
Oh, the ship was lost.
Insisting that it's the ghost of some Englishman that was awake when taken out to the ship.
Oh no.
Apparently, he
That's what happened to Sam.
Word of his vanishment, promising an awful curse if they did. 3 of our crew even took it into their heads to expose our whole operation if we didn't make amends to the doll. But no worries, boss. I took care of them, and they won't be exposing nothing to nobody.
Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Wait. Whoa. Oh no. Sprint to safety. Sprint. No. Let me go. Oh no. Where am I going? 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 What's happening? What's happening? Are they on? Yeah, no. Okay. They're on my tail. Oh no. Oh no. No. This game turned dark real fast all of a sudden. Where am I going? Where am I going? Side no. Oh shit, is this a dead end? No. Okay. Oh, fire. Okay, I can walk past it. Never mind. Oh, here we go. Exit. I can't move. What happened? Oh, son of a...
You look like you've seen a ghost. What were you doing in there? Anyways, hey, I recognize that watch. Do you know Rose?
Not personally.
The people around here say that this whole graveyard is full of restless spirits because something she loved was never returned to her. You know, if it is her watch, you should really return it to her. She's right at the far corner on the left side of the fence. I mean her grave, of course.
That's what I intend to do, but...
It's the only one with her likeness on it.
Huh.
I know it's odd, but folks tried to placate her by upgrading it. You know, didn't...
You sound oddly English.
But maybe the watch would do the trick. I'd go with you.
Ah! Knew it! That was Samuel. I think. Okay. Alright. That's insane. The AIs have an accent that's like recognizable, actually, to the point where you can actually incorporate it into a plot. That's insane. I'm impressed. No offense to like the voice actors in the world, but this might actually be a viable option in the near future. Like, I mean, it already is. Like, wow. Far left corner. This must be it. Here we go. Rosalia Kowalski. I mean, even Rosalia has like a Russian accent. What do I do? Oh! What the? Survive? Excuse me? Oh god, was that a skull? What am I playing? Tomb Raider all of a sudden? Oh no. Did I die? What the hell? Oh, here we go.
At last, my Samuel is back. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, wow. That must have been Rose. That's the ship. Aww. Oh, wow. Aww. That was nice.
Oh, you're awake? Thank God.
Whew.
The doctor said you'd be fine, but you were totally out of it when I found you in the morning, soaking wet and lying on the ground in the back room of the hotel.
In the back room?
Guess what? In the back of that office was a closet, and in it were all these old boxes. When Grandma got there, she opened them, and they were stuffed with old money.
Ooh.
But I can't figure out how you knew that room was there, or what happened to you. Maybe you could tell me all about it. I love a good ghost story.
Oh, that's where it ends. All right. That was the Crimping. So the game was a lot more ambitious than I thought. Usually these solo dev games are kind of small in scale, and you know, you don't have the developers to blame. I mean, you're single-handedly building an entire game. It's usually very difficult to expand on an idea. And that's why you end up with games that usually never leave one location, oftentimes just a single room. And, you know, they get very creative into making things interesting. But this game actually took it a step further. You started at the hotel, you had some narratives, actual dialogue, NPCs talking with each other, and of course they're AI generated, but they're very well implemented. You had some nice lines there too. It was very high quality stuff. The game did chug a lot though. It kind of bothered me from here to there. I have a 3070 Ti with a 12700K, so not exactly top of the line, but not really the bottom of the barrel either. So the chugging might need some optimization in terms of, because if my hardware's chugging, I'd say it's a little difficult to say run the game on a 1060, which seems to be a very popular graphics card. So otherwise though, the game was super interesting. Took me about an hour to beat the game, I think. The game is still in its beta phase, but you can pre-order the game in Steam. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell as well. Leave a comment if you're feeling generous. Definitely go check out Mama Makes Games on Twitter. It's the only account that I'm aware of at the moment, so I'll leave that link in the description below as well. Show some love and support the devs, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.